Angeline Ong, and welcome to your look ahead to Friday, the 15th of December. We start with the United Kingdom, where we've got GfK consumer confidence figures, expectations for December, negative 22. And all this will be really interesting given we've just had the Bank of England saying that it will hold interest rates at 5.25% as expected, and suggested that cuts are unlikely soon. Also watching out for China because we've got industrial production figures out of there, but probably what's more key are the retail sales figure. All these concerns that China is starting to have more and more data points pointing to deflation. So consumption, anything to do with retail sales and the consumer, will be pounced on by traders. Also look out for fixed asset investments. From the eurozone, the UK and the US, Friday we finish off with a bang with December manufacturing and services PMIs from all three of those places. European Central Bank left interest rates unchanged as expected on Thursday as well, and signaled an early end to its last remaining bond purchase scheme. Now, this comes as the Bank of England also stood pat on interest rates. Just looking at the dollar here, because this has a central bank bearing as well. We had the Fed coming out saying that it was going to cut rates in 2024. And this, of course, weighed on the dollar, and you can see the two red candles there. From the US, we've got industrial production figures and also the Baker Hughes oil rig count. Now, the supply side of oil has been a big determiner of the ongoing downward trend line for Brent and WTI as well. As you can see there, oil prices are on a long-term downtrend pretty much since the middle of September. If I go back a little further, actually it's still quite far away from the high seen in March 2022. However, oil prices did rise early this session, extending the previous session's gains, thanks to the weaker dollar after the Fed, and also the IEA lifting its oil demand forecast for next year. The IEA, though, giving a reminder that the gap remains between OPEC and IEA views on 2024 oil demand growth. And that's it for now. For more market-moving news, do join me at 13:30 London time for Beat the Street, where I'll give you a heads up to the US trading day. And IG's Jeremy Naylor will be doing the same at 7:30 ahead of the European trading session. Follow me on Twitter at Angeline Ong. This is IGTV.